How's it going, everyone? John here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another Kick video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your encoder so that way you'll be able to stream over on the Kick platform. So what you're going to want to do is log into your Kick account, go over to your avatar on the right, click on the creator dashboard, go over to settings, go down to Streamkey. We're going to need to use both of these here. So what we're going to do now is open up OBS Studio. This is going to be very similar if you also use Streamlabs Desktop or XSplit or anything like that. So then go to your settings and we're going to go to stream. For the service, we're going to set it to custom, and then that server is going to be this first link here. So we're going to copy this and then we're going to paste it right here in server. For your stream key, you're going to take the stream key here by clicking on this guy right here. Don't ever show the stream key, but we're going to click on these two sheets of paper here to copy it. And then we're going to go ahead and paste that right in here and hit apply. Now the next thing that I always like to do just to make sure everything is good is I go to my output and I go under output mode. I set it to advanced to get all these extra options. Now I do everything through my graphics card, so these settings might be a little bit different from you depending on what you use, if you're using the processor of your computer or if you're using your graphics card. Now there's a lot of videos that go over the perfect settings, so I recommend you guys watching those videos, but to kind of give you just a quick little rundown here, rate control I would leave on CBR. This is going to be constant bitrate. For the bitrate, I leave mine at 6000. I have 20 upload. That's the highest mine does. And I want to make sure that I can still have some wiggle room. So I leave it anywhere between 6 to 10,000. Just kind of matters on how the internet wants to react that time when I'm streaming. Now, everything else like keyframe intervals, I always leave that at 2. Since I do use my graphics card, I have these type of presets. And then profile is high, and then GPU is 0, which means there's only one GPU. I know it's confusing, but 0 is 1, and then 1 is 2. So, but everything else I just kind of leave alone. Now, for any of these other settings, again, there are plenty of videos that go over this. I even have videos that go over all these settings, and that's all in a playlist on the channel. I can link it in the video description below for you as well. I do recommend you guys going over that if you are new to streaming. But once you have all that stuff situated, go ahead and hit apply. I'm hitting cancel because I don't want to change my stuff. But go ahead and hit apply, and then you should be all set to go. Build out your scenes and everything like that if you haven't already done so. Hit that start streaming, and you are all set and ready to go. But yeah, that is pretty much everything in terms of setting it up. If you guys have any questions or if there's anything that I missed, let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy stuff like this, be sure to subscribe, like this video, take a look at the other content on the channel to help you with streaming, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Take care.